everybody. This is my hot point clothes dryer. It doesn't actually turn on anymore. I'll show you what it does. We have it in the on mode. I press the button and it just makes a buzz. If I go down here and press the door close and kind of get it spinning, if I can get it to run, press the door close button. Pressing the start button, nothing happens. But if I start it with my hand, it keeps running and it heats fine. So what's wrong? If you know me, tell me. This is a hot point clothes dryer. The model number is HTDX 100 EM2WW. If it stops all the way, it doesn't start again. What's going on?